Good morning, red and blue team. I hope everybody is doing fantastic this Wednesday morning. And yes, it is Wednesday, so we are halfway through our week of virtual learning. Remember that I said that we were going to be doing this for a while. So I know that I had to reach out to a few of you yesterday because you weren't submitting your assignments. Please make sure that you're submitting your assignments. Grades are still going to be put in the grade book. I'm actually going to go ahead and start doing that today. So please make sure that you guys are submitting your assignments. I will be emailing you if I see that you don't. I don't want to have to go ahead and get your parents involved because I think you guys are responsible enough to finish your work. And remember, they have a lot to deal with because they're working and they're trying to help you. So just kind of keep in mind that help them out, right, with making sure that you guys finish your assignments. So and if I see that you guys aren't finishing your assignments, I'll email you. So make sure you're checking your emails, okay, and your inbox for any messages from me or Miss Science. So with that said, we're gonna go ahead and start the way that we always do on our homepage. This is the class website. I am going to be putting iReady grades for the spring break lessons that you guys were supposed to complete. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in today. I'm giving you guys until the end of the week just in case, because I still have a few students. I was checking and I still have a few of you that haven't finished it. So this is still going to be up, okay? So let's go ahead and make this quick. As usual, you're gonna go into the emergency virtual learning tab. You're gonna look for today's date, which is Wednesday, April 1st. And you're gonna have your agenda there. You're going to submit attendance. Boys and girls, please make sure that you submit your attendance no later than 9:30 this morning. I have to go ahead and send that out to Miss Kathy to let her know who's here and who's not for the day. So just make sure you're submitting your daily attendance by 9:30 at the latest. And then you're going to watch your video. It should take about 5 minutes. This should be very, very short. The second item on your agenda is going to be grammar review. This is going to be on no red ink. It should take you about 15 minutes. If you have not gone to the website at all, click on the link for your class. You're either in blue team or red team. And once you're on the website, go to the box on the right and click on sign up as a student. Once you do that, you can create your username and password. If you created your username and password, write it down so that you don't forget it. But to give you guys an example, if you click on blue team, because you're in blue team, okay, you're gonna go to this screen. You're gonna sign up as a student. When you sign up as a student, it's already gonna have your class code there. So you're gonna continue, and it's gonna give you the option of signing up with Google or to create your username and password. You can do either, okay? And then it'll take you to today's lesson. The third item on your list, you're going to be watching the problem and solution teacher presentation. Today I'm going to go over, just going over it, basically like what it is, and a sample nonfiction text. Your next item, fourth item, this is problem and solution classwork. This assignment is on ReadWorks. Got allergies? You're going to click here to go to ReadWorks. Remember, once you go to the website, click on student login and sign in with your Google information. So when you go to ReadWorks, okay, you're going to have this. Once you're here, you are going to go ahead and student log in with Google. Okay, you're going to go ahead and put your information, and I'm going to use Roy here as my sample. Okay, and once you put in your information, you're going to hit next, which this should have been you because we're doing this even before we went on spring break. Okay, for blue team, it should be the first one with all the lowercase. I don't know why two classes came up. I looked on my end and it only shows up as one. But either way, and if it doesn't work, just check the other one. And you guys see how it has the due date here? This is what you guys have to go ahead and do. I still have a few of you that are missing the article a day from Tuesday. So please make sure that you guys complete that. There's 3 of you in blue team. So, and then there's 2 of you in red team. So you are going to go to Got Allergies. you're going to read it, and yes, this could read it for you, okay? And then you guys are going to either have it read it to you, or you're going to go ahead and read it. It's not that long. If you're interested in any of the vocabulary words, they're here. Gives you the definition, and then the questions are here. So once you go ahead, you guys see how it says your work is automatically saved. It's going to be automatically saved. That doesn't mean that you go ahead and it's submitted as of yet. So let's say, according to the text, what are increasing in the United States. Let's say you want to go ahead and choose reflexes. You choose reflexes. Okay, so then you guys are going to go ahead and continue, and you have all the way through to 8. These are written questions. Once you are done, you go ahead and you submit. Okay, don't forget to submit. If not, I am not going to go ahead and get the assignment. Okay, so that's ReadWorks. After you do your ReadWorks, this is a classwork assignment, and it is going to go into the gradebook. That is going to be your first classwork grade for this quarter, so please make sure that you guys complete it. And remember, the time frames are underneath each item. That's approximately or about the time that it should take you to complete the assignments. Then after that, you're going to move into your STEM project. You're going to watch this brain pop video, so you're going to go in there. Once you go in here, you can go ahead and log in, and the password is Meadowlane. The username is Meadowlane, and so is the password, Meadowlane. Okay, so you should be able to go ahead and go in there, and you are going to be watching this video. Once you watch that video, you are going to go to the Google slide that's been assigned to you on Google Classroom already. You're going to use at least 3 to 5 sentences to summarize, and there's a specific question that you need to answer. That should take you about 20 minutes, and you guys are going to work on this tomorrow again, if I'm not mistaken, so you have plenty of time to go ahead and complete it. And then the last item of your agenda, if you have not already completed your first body paragraph, that is exactly what your second body paragraph, that is what you are going to be doing. I know that it says first here, but it should be your your first body paragraph. Yeah, so because you completed your introduction yesterday, so your second paragraph, which is the first body paragraph, is due today. And give yourselves about 40 minutes to go ahead and complete that. Make sure that you're turning in your essays. Once again, your essay is going to be a grade by the end of this week. Okay, so I think I got everything covered. This is once again your agenda. For today, please make sure that you are completing these assignments. Create a checklist for yourself. Write down, oh, I need to do the ReadWorks classwork, I need to do the Brain Pop STEM, and then I need to do my first body paragraph. Create, and then I need to do grammar. Create a little checklist for yourself, and then just start checking things off. You guys shouldn't be taking too long to do these assignments. It should be fairly simple. But again, if you have any questions, you know where to find me. I'll be on Hangouts. If you need to video conference, just let me know, and you are more than welcome to. All right, guys, have a fantastic Wednesday and happy day of learning. I miss you guys. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye.